Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to track order on Fedex. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser from your mobile or even using your laptop. Okay, and then using the search bar, you just have to simply type out Fedex tracking. Okay, and then click on search, and then you'd be able to see this website. So what you're going to do next is to simply click on this website. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this page, and then you have to choose your location. Okay, and then select your the language, and then you have to accept all cookies. And then after that, you have to go to the tab section. So you have to select a tab. Okay, so select tracking number. And then below, you'd be able to see here the tracking number. So you just have to paste here the tracking number of your order. And then when you click on track, you would be able to see the delivery details. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.